In this lecture, I shall be talking about the Amazon Elastic Block Store Service, known as EBS, which provides storage to your EC2 instances via EBS volumes, which offer different benefits to that of instance store volumes used with some EC2 instances. EBS provides persistent and durable block-level storage. As a result, EBS volumes offer far more flexibility with regards to managing the data when compared to data stored on instance store volumes. EBS volumes can be attached to your EC2 instances, and are primarily used for data that is rapidly changing that might require a specific input/output operations per second rate, also known as IOPS. EBS volumes are independent of the EC2 instance, meaning that they exist as two different resources. They are logically attached to the instance instead of directly attached like instance store volumes. From a connectivity perspective, only a single EBS volume can only ever be attached to a single EC2 instance. However, multiple EBS volumes can be attached to a single instance. Due to the EBS ability to enforce persistence of data, it doesn't matter if your instances are intentionally or unintentionally stopped, restarted, or even terminated, the data will remain intact when configured to do so. EBS also offers the ability to provide point-in-time backups of the entire volume as and when you need to. These backups are known as snapshots, and you can manually invoke a snapshot of your volume at any time, or use Amazon CloudWatch events to perform an automated schedule of backups to be taken at a specific date or time that can be recurring. The snapshots themselves are then stored on Amazon S3, and so are very durable and reliable. They are also incremental, meaning that each snapshot will only copy data that has changed since the previous snapshot was taken. Once you have a snapshot of an EBS volume, you can then create a new volume from that snapshot. So, if for any reason you lost access to your EBS volume through or incident or disaster, you can recreate the data volume from an existing snapshot and then attach that volume to a new EC2 instance. To add additional flexibility and resilience, it is possible to copy a snapshot from one region to another. Looking at the subject of high availability and resiliency, your EBS volumes are, by default, created with reliability in mind. Every write to a EBS volume is replicated multiple times within the same availability zone of your region to help prevent the complete loss of data. This means that your EBS volume itself is only available in a single availability zone. As a result, should your availability zone fail, you will lose access to your EBS volume. Should this occur, you can simply recreate the volume from your previous snapshot and attach it to another instance in another availability zone.